Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and watch this video. This is my 11th video, guys. Take note. So don't skip any video here if you want to pass the examination. So again, congratulations to all of you. I know you have to you have already done pass in other school, and at the same time you want to take also and try other school. So if you want to take math examination for the engineering, see to it that you have the pressure calculator, and at the same time for also math teachers major, you need to also have a proper calculator, guys. So don't skip any video here. So again, let's proceed for the 95 video. Find the ninth term of the harmonic progression. 1/2, 1/6, 1/10 in the ninth term. So A, 135, B, 124, C, 134, D, 123. So we know that 1 A1 plus N minus 1 times D. So our A1 is 1/2. And the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. And the common difference, we need to 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So our common difference is 4. And we have ninth term is our N, right? So let's try to substitute the 2, 9 minus 1, and then 8. So 8, this is 4. 8 times 4, we have 4, plus 2. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 2, the answer is 34. And we have preceding of 1 here, so the answer is 134. So this is the formula for harmonic progression. So the answer is 134. Again, look for the common difference of 4, A1, which is 1/2, and then substitute 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2, and the answer is 1/34. Okay, the answer is letter C. Okay. Again, let's proceed for the 96. So we know that this is a logarithm. We know that the logarithm has a rule. So if this is division, we need to subtract. And if this is multiplication, we need to add. So logarithm of 550 minus logarithm 5, 2. So take note, this is, we need to go back the logarithm of 550 divided by 2. So let's try to proceed. 50 divided by 2 is 25, and we know that this is logarithm of 5 is equals to x. So what will be the value of our, so the answer is 2. Why? Because if we will change this one to our exponential, this will become 25. So 25 will replace it here, and the 5 will place it here, and our exponent will replace it here. So the answer is 2. Okay. So again, let's proceed for 97. Okay. So our given for 97, 3x squared minus 2x plus 4x minus 16. Find the function f of 3. This is y is equals to 3x squared. We know that f of x is equals to y, but the value of y is equals to 3. So let's try to substitute 3x squared minus 2x plus 4x minus 16. So again, 3 times 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 4 times 3 minus 16. So again, 3 squared is equals to 9. 9 times 3 is equals to 27. 2 times 3, sorry, this is already a 2. So we have a 2 here. Take note, this is a 2. So 9 9 times 9 times 2 is 18 plus 12 minus 16. So 27 minus 18 plus 12 minus 16. 27 minus 18 is what you call 27 minus 18 is equals to 9. 9 plus 12 is equals to 21. 21 minus 16 is equals to 5. So the answer is 5. So our answer is 5. Take note. So the answer is letter B. Okay. So let's proceed for number 98. 98. Let's proceed for the number 98. The polynomial function f of x, 6x to the fourth, x cubed minus 6x squared, minus x plus 30. We know that there is a polynomial. So, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and then the fifth term. Take note, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Even though this is already exponent of 4, but the exponent is from highest to lowest, so our polynomial function is fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is letter C. So take note na, this is the given. The polynomial function f of x, 6x to the fourth, x cubed, 6x squared minus x plus 30 is the fifth function. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's proceed for 99. This is our 99. What is the interval given? 1, 1, and then to 4, 5, and 8, and then 9, 12. Interval, when we speak about interval, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that correct? So, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, the answer is letter B, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So, the answer, our interval is 4. So, the answer is letter B. So, pay 100. This is 100. Let's proceed for this one. So, we know that the PEMDAS. First, we need to have in this part, 5 squared will become 25. So, again, 3 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 9. And then, at the same time, we had the bracket for this one. We have 25. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. Again, 75 minus 3 is 72. Divided by 2 plus 9. So again, so we need to have 72 divided by 2. If we will divide 72 divided by 2, 72 divided by 2, the answer is 36. So 36 plus 9, 36 plus 9 is 45. So the answer is 45. So take note, 36, 72 divided by 2 is 36 plus 9. The answer is 45. So the answer is none of the above. Take note, none of the above is the answer. This is the proper way. Take note, you need to get for this one. Do not go here. Do not go here. We need to have the parenthesis, followed the exponent, times, and then after that, you just only answer for the first part, followed by this part. Do not go in this part. Okay, let's proceed for the 101. 101. Okay, this is calculus. What is the derivative of 2x cubed plus 4x minus 5? We know the derivative. We need to less the exponent n minus 1 and we multiply 3 times 2. So, 3. So, again, 2 2x cubed plus 4x minus 5. So, 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract the exponent to 2. And then, this will become 1. So, 4. So, this will become 0. So, the answer is 6x squared plus 4. So, this is the derivative. 6x squared plus 4. So, the answer is letter C. This is calculus. Differential calculus. Okay. Let's have 102. 102. This is the given. Find the equation of the line through 2 and 4 and 4x6. So, find the equation of a line. We know that the equation of the line is, what do you call this one? Let's try to recall our past lesson when we are in geometry. So, when we speak about equation of the line, so we know that what is a formula for the slope. So, guys, we know that the formula for the slope, we have m is equals to y minus 2, y minus 1, and at the same time, x of 2 minus x of 1. And our given is 2, 4, 4, and then 6. Take note, this is x of 1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2. Is that correct? We know that in the equation, we have 6 minus 4. Again, 6 minus 4. We have 6 minus 4. And then, we have 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Our m will become 1. This is not yet finished, right? So, our m will become 1. So, again, let's have 1 equivalent to y minus 4. Let's try to substitute. And at the same time, x minus 2. Substitute again. Again, we will cross multiply this one. So, x minus 2 is equals to y minus 4. Is that correct? Then after that, we will put the y into transposition or transpose. So, x minus y and then negative 4 plus 2. Is that correct? So, the answer is x minus y is equals to negative 2. This is not yet finished. X minus y. And then, we will proceed to positive 2 is equals to 0. So, the answer is x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. So, this is our final answer. Take note. If there is a... So, in 102, guys, our equation of the line passes 2 and 4 and 4 and 6. The answer is letter B. First, you need to find the slope. Then after that, you need to proceed in equation of the line. So that will be number 2. Okay, 103. This is the given. Find the equation of a line having an x-intercept of 2 and a y-intercept of 4. Okay, so find the equation. So we need to have a formula for a for the intercept, and then b is equals to 1. So our a for the x-intercept is 2, and then b is equals to 4. So let's try to change this one. Substitute. This will become 2, and this will become 4. So again, let's get the LCD. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times x. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times y, and at the same time cross multiply by 4. So the answer is 2x plus y is equals to 4. So this is our equation. So the answer is letter B. So again, for the x-intercept and then y-intercept. So let's proceed for 104. So 104, our given is, let's proceed for the 104. A refrigerator cost 15,000 when it was new. It was depreciates at the rate of 10% per year. What is the value after 10 years? So this is what you call the depreciation. When we speak about depreciation, whenever we will use something about the technology, a car, a refrigerator, appliances center, it will less the value year by year because it's almost already used. So again, we have the formula for the depreciation, cost depreciation, which is the value, the cost, 1 minus the interest raised to n. So cost value. So the cost value is 15,000. And then 1 minus 10% per year. 10% raised to n, where n is 10 years also. Take note, this is the year. This is the n, or the number of years. Again, so 1 minus, change to decimal, which is 0.10, and then 10, which is 15,000, and you will use the calculator. So 1 minus 0.10 is 0.90 raised to 10 times 15,000. This is used for engineering, at the same time for math teachers. So there are some grade 7, grade 8 already knows that. But so 0.90 raised to 10 and times 15,000, the answer is 5,230.76. So the answer is 5,230.78. So this is our depreciation cost, or not depreciation. Yes, the depreciation of the refrigerator after 10 years. So the answer is 5,230. So the answer is letter C. This is the nearest because we will rounding up 17 to 0.18. So the answer is letter C. So this is our given. 100 refrigerator cost 115,000. When it was new, it will depreciate at the rate of 10% per year. What was the value after 10 years? So 106. So let's proceed for 106. Okay, let's try to erase this one again. Okay, let's continue to 105. What is the sum of the measures complementary angles? When we speak about complementary angles, this refers to an angle, not exactly, but a measure of angle 90 degrees. So, if it is 180, it is what you call supplementary. So, if we will have a protractor here, if this is in this side, automatically this is 90 degrees, this is complementary. If this is on this side, this is 180 degrees. So complementary and then supplementary. Okay, let's proceed for 106. Suppose we have 106. It can paint a certain house in 10 days, and B can paint in the same house in 12 days. So we have A and B. Take note, 10 days and 12 days. How long it take the house if both men work? So suppose we have an equation. For the linear equation, we will use as a force the solution. We have a house which is 1 over 10. This is for the letter A. And for the letter B, we have 1 over 12 is equals to 1 over x. Take note. So we will get the LCD of 10 and 12. So what will be the NCD of 10 and 12? We have 60. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 60 divided by 12 is 5. So multiply by 1. 60 divided by 12 times 1. And then we have 1 over x. So we have 6 plus 5 over 60 is equals to 1 over x. So again, 6 plus 5 will become 11 over 60, 1 over x. So we need to get the value of x. So 11x is equals to 60. And then after that, we will divide to 11. Divide to 11. So x, 60 divided by 11, the answer is, we have 60 divided by 11, we have 5, 55 over 5. So the answer is 5, 5 over 11. So 5 or 511 days. How long? So the answer is 5 and 5 over 11. So again, so the answer is letter B, 5 and 5 over 11. So again, our problem is I can paint a certain house in 10 days. So there is letter A and the letter B is for the 12 days. So we will proceed for A and then B. 1 over 10, 1 over 12. How long? Take note, they are asking for how many days. So 1 over x. So 60 divided by 10 is 6 times 1. 60 divided by 12 is 5 times 1. So 6 plus 5 will become 60 over 1 over x. So 6 plus 5 will be 11 over 60, 1 over x. And then after that, cross multiply, we have the 11x. And then, so we have 60 divided by 11. And the answer is, so we have x. X. So we have, proceed for 11. So 5 times 5 will be 55. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. And subtract. So, we will get 5 over 11. So, that will be the answer. So, let's proceed for 107. 107. Erased. This is the easiest. What is the sum measure of supplementary angles? Again, I repeat that supplementary is 180 degrees. So, the answer is letter C. While complementary is 90. Take note, the answer is 180. So, let's proceed for 109. Okay. Sequence. 34, 36, 39, 43. So, take note. Let's try to analyze 34, 36, 39, 43. So, we need 34 plus 2, 36. 36 plus 3 will be 39. 39 plus 4 will become 43. 43, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 48. So, our answer is 48. So, the answer is letter B. This is usually used for civil service, mostly, and numerical analogy. So, that will be the answer. Look at the sequence. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's proceed for 110. 110. What is the vertex of angle SHY? So, we will draw the angle. This is S, H, and then Y. And we are looking for the vertex. So, our vertex is here. This is what you call vertex. Take note, vertex. This is what you call the vertex. Vertex is not only used in the angle. It can be also used in the parabola. So, this is what you call the vertex. In angle, these are. So, the answer is letter H. Our vertex is letter H. And 111. So, the given is, in the right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the legs. So, right triangle. We know that the right triangle is this one, right? So, the square. So, C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So, this is A squared and B squared. But the total is, this is what you call the Pythagorean theorem. So, the answer is letter B. Pythagorean theorem. Not postulate theorem, congruent, corollary. The answer is letter B. Guys, thank you guys. And I hope you will understand a lot everything in mathematics. So, this is already my 11th video. So, guys, I have a video regarding with my science also. Maybe next week, I will post this one. So, if you are taking up science, biology, as well as science, physical science, there are a lot of questions there. Next week, I will post this one in my YouTube channel, Math Academic Knowledge. So, if you want to be grown in your academic entrance test, as well as if you want to take the board exam, as well as engineering, it will help you a lot. Maybe on the 3rd week, maybe I will post something related to English, but only math and science and problem solving are here to solve this problem. Okay, thank you very much and good luck. Thank you so much.